One day, the king of the monkeys, Champak, called all the monkeys of his kingdom for a meeting. In the meeting, he told them,
all good for tomorrow. Fasting is good for health. What is fasting? Fasting is not eating anything from morning to evening. No, please, it's easy. So all of us will meet here tomorrow morning at 6 to 4. Okay.
Next morning, all the monkeys gathered to fast. Just then, Damu had an idea.
We should keep food ready before begin the fast. Yes, all keeping food ready before begin the fast. But remember, no one eats them. Okay.
So all the monkeys went to jungle and bought lot of bananas.
Share the bananas before begin to fast. All share the bananas. But remember, no one eats them. Okay.
All the monkeys sharing the bananas. All the monkeys peeling the bananas.
I will peel my banana and keep it in my mouth. Me too. Peel the bananas, keep it in my mouth. But remember, no one eat them. Okay. Ouch! My banana slipped in my throat. Me too. It's fine.